formation, different processes. Word formation in English refers to the various ways new words are created or existing words are modified to produce new lexical items. So there are so many ways to form a new word in English. So let us see what are the processes involved in formation of new words in English. So what are the major processes involved? Let's see. So these are the major processes involved in forming a new word. So new word formation. So prefixation, prefix, suffix. These two comes under affixation, compounding, conversion, blending, clipping, acronym, back formation, borrowing, reduplication. So these are all the major processes involved in forming a new words in word formation. So let us see one by one. First one, affixation. Affixation involves prefix and suffix. Let's see prefix. So prefix is a word fragment added in front of a word. So it added before the word. For example, by, pre, un. These are all prefixes. So let's see an example. Happy. You add un, it becomes unhappy. So new word is formed. Legal, illegal. So mostly these two are opposite words. And possible, impossible. Adding im, so we form a new word, impossible. So next, in the affixation, suffix. So suffix is a word fragment added at the end of a word. So ation, fy, ing, itis. These are all suffixes added at the end of the word. See, kindness. We added ness. So kindness, beautiful, management. So this is one way to form a new word in English. So affixation. After affixation, second process is compounding. So compounding is a process in word formation where two or more words are combined to create a new word. So in this, we combine two or more words to create a new word, to make a new word. So there are so many types of compound words. So let's see the types of compound words. So first one, closed compounds. So closed compounds, when we combine two words and we write it as a single word. For example, note, book. So these note is a word, book is a word. When we combine these two words, it forms a single word without any space. So this is notebook. Closed compound. This is called closed compound word. Sunflower, bedroom. Next, open compounds. So open compounds are we write them separately, but we treat them as a single concept. Okay. So post plus office, post office. But here we write them separately. There is a space between two words, but these function as a single concept. Full moon, high school. Next, hyphenated compounds. So there is a hyphen between two words. So ones are connected with a hyphen. See, for example, mother-in-law. So hyphen. Mother plus in plus law. Well known. So there is a hyphen between two words. So these are called hyphenated compounds. Next, we can form compound words by combining two nouns. Toothbrush, football, raincoat. Next, we can form adding adjective plus noun. Black is an adjective, board is a noun. So blackboard, greenhouse, fast food. Verb plus noun. Swimming pool, washing machine, driving license. Noun plus verb. Hair is noun, cut is verb. So haircut, sunrise, snowfall. Adjective plus adjective. Bittersweet, red hot. These two, bitter, sweet, both are adjectives. So we form a new compound word adding two adjectives. Next, preposition plus noun or verb. Over, coat. Preposition plus noun. Under, take. Preposition plus verb. Next, third type of a word formation process is conversion. So conversion is we change the part of a speech or a word class without changing the form. So when we change the part of speech, there will be no change in the form of the word. So for example, text. Text is a noun. When you write to text, it becomes a verb. So there is no change in the word. Just we write to make it a verb. So we changed its parts of speech. Part of speech. So run, run. Next, blending. So blending is also called portmanteau. Portmanteau. So portmanteau or blending is forming a new word by joining two or more words and combining their meanings. So here we also combine their meanings. So portmanteau is a blend. So here portmanteau fuses both the sounds of the original words and the meanings of its components. For example, see, blend means here we merge both the words to make a new word. Here, break fast. Breakfast plus lunch. So we form a new word portmanteau or blend, that is brunch. So it has both the meanings of the its components. It has breakfast and also lunch. Advertorial, biopic, biography plus picture, blog, web plus log, internet, international plus network, multiplex, multiple plus complex, motel, motor plus hotel, smog, smoke plus fog. These are all blends or portmanteau words. Next, fifth, clipping. So clipping is very simple. It is shortening a longer word by cutting off a part. We cut a part to make it short. That is called clipping. For example, examination. So we cut this red color part. It becomes exam. Okay, we shorten the word. Mathematics. So we shorten it. Then it becomes maths. Advertisement, ad. Laboratory, lab. Telephone, phone. So in this clipping process, there are again three types of clipping processes we see. That is back clipping. So here we cut last letters. It becomes dog. Fore clipping. Here we cut beginning word letters. Telephone. Next, middle clipping. So here we cut this. So flu. Next, sixth one, acronyms and initialisms. So acronyms are words formed from the initial letters of a phrase and pronounced as a word. For example, it's very simple. National Aeronautics and Space Administration. So it is formed with the initial letters, see, of a phrase. So N A S A. So it becomes NASA. We pronounce it as a single word, not NASA. NASA. So radar, radio detection, ranging. Next, initialisms. So in this process, initial letters pronounced separately. Here we pronounce it as a word, but here we pronounce it as separately. F, B, I. So we pronounce these letters separately. So that is initialisms. So in the sixth category, acronyms and initialisms. Next, seventh. In this process, a back formation. So we create a simpler word by removing a real or supposed affix. See here, example, editor. So we remove this. affix, it becomes edit. Insertion, so here we remove this affix, it becomes insert. Okay, so this is back formation. Next, borrowing. Borrowing is adapting words directly from other languages. That is loan words. We can call them loan words. These are all loan words. So these words are borrowed from other languages. For example, guru. So it is borrowed from, it is from Indian. Jungle from Indian. Yogurt. So they are directly borrowed from other languages. So these are all loan words. Piano, it's an Italian word. Bazaar, bazaar is an Arabic word. So these are all loan words. The process is called borrowing. Next, ninth. So word formation process, ninth one, reduplication. Reduplication is repeating all or part of a word. So here there are some types. Here the same basis repeated identically. Same, thump, thump. So we use these kind of words to denote sounds. Tick tick of clocks. So these are sounds. Next, next rhyming compounds. So in these rhyming compounds, so the consonant, here consonant is R, here R. So it is before the vowel. This consonant is changed. So here instead of R used P. So consonant before vowel is changed. Roly poly. So just like we see these kind of words in poetry, in a poem. So namby, pamby. Here N is replaced by P. Next, another type of reduplication. So here only vowel sound of the word is changed. See, ding dong. Here E sound is replaced with the O sound. Ping pong. So remaining all the consonants are same. Hip. This vowel sound is replaced by this. So next, 10th, coinage. Creation of entirely new words. Coining, often from brand names. Aspirin. Aspirin is Xerox. Xerox is a brand name. So this is a kind of forming a new word. So that is called coinage. So we create entirely new words from brand names. So I have given a complete table here. It's a summary of the word formation topic. So prefixation, let's see. In prefixation, add prefix to base word. So unhappy. Suffixation, add suffix. So this is suffix at the end of the word. This is before the word. Compounding. So combining two words. Snow plus man becomes snowman. Conversion. So here it shifts word class, or it is called changing parts of speech. Noun becomes here verb to text. Blending. Here in blend we merge part of two words, not complete words, part of two words. Remember this. Motor, hotel. So here we combine these two and this. So this is motel. These are also called, blend words are also called portmanteau words. Clipping, shorten word. So we cut off a part of the word. So here this is lab. If you cut this, this is a lab, forming a new word. Acronym. So in acronym, initial letters as a word, RADA. Back formation. In this we remove affix. So here we removed OR. Edit. Next, borrowing or loan words. Adopting foreign words. That is, the guru is from Indian language. Reduplication. Reduplication is repeating a word or part of the word. Tick, tick. So repeating the same word. Tick, tick. So these are the major processes involved in word formation. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much.